Friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I just really quickly want to share with you the option for 2010 Tacoma for this generation. My friend decided to go different way with his cabin air filters. So I don't see them, people normally don't use it. Here is the cabin air filter for 2010 Taco. This is how it looks. He said it's from K&N, so this is the clean side, the bottom. This is how we pulled it out today. It already did its service. But now the problem comes. I never did it with him before. This is brand new to me. So now instead of just throwing away the paper element, right? This is the back of it. We have to start the cleaning procedure. So I just want to share it with you. There are options for those who doesn't want to be wasting that paper element and keep throwing it away. This is how it looks like for this gen of tacos. I'm not sure how much he paid for it, but here is the cleaning kit which comes with it, and that's what we will be doing today with him. So yeah, it was a quick tech video what can be purchased and used in Tacomas. Thank you for watching and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.